Hello, good afternoon. This is Anka from Talkheater. Nice to see you again.
Hi, this is Anna, and welcome to our broadcast room. And today our topic is about the iron plate. Yes, as you know, the iron is one of the household appliance in our home and some such like the hotel or the washroom. Yes, for ironing your clothes. If you go outside for some important occasion or some formal occasion, you need to wear shirts or shoes like us. Yes.
Yes.
Today is also the important occasion for us. So you are also our important customers. Yes. So we wear the shoes to look you. and for the products, and we will introduce mostly of our iron plate today. Yes.
Yes, before introduction, I would like to say that actually our boss first rate income was start from the iron tube.
Yes, that's a milestone product for us.
Yes, now the product on my hands is the iron tube. Yes. Our factory was built in 1995 as an heating elements manufacturer in Zhejiang province. At that time, we specially OEM manufactured the iron tube for a famous factory in Asia since 1995. So until now, we have rich experience and very skilled in manufacturing iron tube and the iron saw plates. And in order to meet the increased demand of saw plates in our markets, now we have purchased at least 4 sets of die casting devices to produce the iron saw plates, and we have the special die casting workshop and production line to produce the die casting saw plates. Sure, we also have our another workshop and the production lines to produce the iron tube as well. As you know, before aluminum die casting the saw plates, we need to finish the iron tube first. Yes.
Yes. So let's go back to the business about the iron plate, and we will give you a detailed look of our samples, and you will have a detailed check of our samples.
So please focus on our sample table. Now, first of all, you can see we have iron tube, yes, the iron saw plates and semi-products. I will introduce you one by one. First of all is our iron tube. For this iron tube, like I said before, we have the special workshop and the production lines to produce the iron tube. For such iron tube, its material is made of the iron or with coating, with copper coating. Some customer will only require material with iron. And also, we have our own brand, DHDH, but we are OEM of heating elements factory as well. So you can send your logo to us. We can send your logo or brand on our iron tube as well. And if you want to get a quotation from us, you need to provide your technical drawing to us reference, and also provide your quantity. Then we will check price for your reference. The second one is our iron saw plate. For iron saw plate, you can see that there are 2 types of saw plates we can for your choosing. The first one is the iron saw plate is dry iron. Another one, the saw plate is for the sting iron. Like this one is the sting iron. On the base you can see there are many sting holes on the base of saw plate. This one is for the dry iron. So on each iron saw plate, we normally not only we stamp our brand or customer brand on the base, we also will stamp the voltage and the watt on the base. Regarding the power, this specification is also customized according to customer designs. Now, the power we ever made, maybe I remember, include such as the 400 watts, 600 watts, 1000 and 100 watts. This one you see it, this is the 1100 watts or 800 watts and so on. We can customize according to your power requirement. And for the material of the plate, normally it is made of aluminum with coating or without coatings. For example, on our sample table, the sample actually was with the Teflon coating, but some customer will also require the stainless steel coating or without coating. Some customers will, anyway, we can make according to your design. If the saw plate with coating, it will make the iron saw plate more safer and make it more beautiful, right? Regarding the surface of plates, we are strictly on dealing with surface in order to make our saw plates more beautiful. From the sample table, you can see our sample is very clean, flat, and there are no burrs, no scratches, and no other dirty points on the surface and the plate of saw plate, right? It's very, very beautiful because before shipment, we promised no burrs, no scratches, no stains on the surface of saw plate, and so that we can make it more smooth and flatter and beautiful. Now, the sample on my hands is our semi-products. Because we not only we can produce the saw plate, but also we can provide the semi-products. We can assemble the spare parts like the KST, and for this one KST is especially for the iron saw plates, and assemble the lead wire and the terminal pin and the spot welding points on our saw plates. And my colleague Anna will give you more details about our semi products, and maybe she will share you an interesting story later.
Yes, thanks for Anka's introduction for our saw plate. Yes, these semi-products of iron saw plate have remind me of one story. It is from our customers. It is from Indonesia. Before that, they met us at the Canton Fair, and after long discussion, they want us to supply them with the KST thermostat and also the iron tube and the lead wire separately. And after checking all of these costs, we find that it will increase more like the package cost, also the transport cost, labor cost. And they think it will be better to make them together, so they don't need to assemble them in their own factory, and all this we can make together and ship out to them. So this will save their costs like this. So finally, we make this one and assemble these parts together and ship out, especially, and we establish another assembling workshop for them to increase our output. Because of their stable order, we can specially make one more workshop for them to increase our production. Yes. So don't worry about our delivery time, and we can make flexible adjustment, and we have the ability to take good care of your order. Yes. For the iron sole plate, we will pack them into 48 pieces per carton, and some customer will require pack by pallet. Other customer will not require that. If packed only by carton, a 20-inch container can be loaded 19,200 pieces inside. Yes, that will save a lot of space in one container if you don't pack them by pallet, only by carton. Yes. Also, we will pack them well in the before shipment. So for the inspection, we have strictly QC on product. Before goods shipping out, normally we will make high-pot tests to ensure all of our products could be high quality to all of you. So we will assure that all of our products, like this one, you can see very beautiful, and we will make tests before shipment. So don't worry about our quality. Yes, you may be very curious about which market we are selling to. Yes, some famous customers you may be very familiar with their name, such as Panasonic, Kitebor, and Cosmos, and Sharp, and so on. Through all these years, our market is all over the world, including Thailand, Japan, Indonesia, Argentina, Iran, and so on. Yes, through our introduction, maybe you have very many questions. You can type your message here, and our assistants will reply you one by one. And now the key point is coming, how to get a price. Yes, you can send us your 3D technical drawing, and then we will know the dimension more clear, and our engineer can see the structure inside and know the weight, and all this will influence the price. Yes. One iron sole plate is very heavy. Yes. We need to know your weight, and we need to check the material for the price.
Yes, and finally, I would stress that actually for such semi-products, yes, maybe it's the popular tendency in the future, because such products, semi-product will help customer to save a lot of cost and save a lot of labor cost, because when you receive the semi-product, you can directly assemble the semi-products on your home appliances. That will save a lot of process. So it's the future tendency, I think. So if you have any inquiry, any doubts now, welcome your any message to leave to our customer service. They will reply you immediately. Hello, welcome back.
Yes, just now we have shown you some types of our samples to all of you, and we introduce our semi-products, also our spare parts, including the tube and the lead wire, and so on. All this we can make. Just tell us, and we can customize for you. And just now, some customers have sent their questions here, and our assistant have summarized and collect them. Next part will be our Q&A time, and we will answer you focusedly. Don't go away, just keep following us, and we will see you later.
welcome back.
Hello,
Yes.
welcome back.
Welcome to our Q&A time.
Yes.
I just received 5 questions from our assistant. They summarized and collected from our customers. And here I will answer you immediately. Let's go. The first question is, what's the max quantity of iron saw plate can be loaded into a 20-inch container? Okay, about these questions, I remember that the max quantity can be loaded in a 20-inch container is 19,200 pieces. Yes. So, if you have any inquiry of saw plate, we still suggest you to order one container because it will help you to save the shipment cost. Also, if your quantity is enough big, our price will be more smaller.
Compacted.
Yes. The second question is, what's the coating of your saw plates? About the coating of our saw plates, like I introduced before, also you can see from our sample table, there are some customers will require coating Teflon, and some customers will require ceramic, and some customers don't require any coating, just without coating, just the aluminum die casting. Yes. And some will be required the stainless steel coating. The third question is, can you provide semi-products? Really? Yes, sure. We can provide the semi-products because, like I said before, maybe it will very popular in the coming days because such semi-products will help customers to save a lot of labor cost. Also, and reduce some process when they install the spare parts into their home appliances, right? Also, I would like to say that not only we can assemble the spare parts on the saw plates, but also we can separately ship to you. Yeah, maybe there will increase some box cost because we separate to pack to you, and you can assemble them in your production line when you receive our goods as well. The fourth question is, what's the power of saw plates? About the power of saw plates, these specifications actually is customized according to a customer requirement. Until now, the power we estimate such as 11,000 watts, 800 watts, 600 watts, 400 watts, and so on. It can be made according to your design.
Yeah.
The final question is, can we buy the iron tube? Yes, sure, you can buy the iron tube. Not only we supply the saw plates, but also we have the special and the independent production line to manufacture the iron tube as well. If you have any inquiry of iron tube, just send to us, and we will give you competitive price.
Yes, because from the beginning, our factory is a manufacturer of heating elements for home appliances. Yes, of course, we can supply you electric heating elements separately.
So, the above question is our customer want us to answer. If you have more doubts, please consult to our assistants. Yes, and also now it's still on the epidemic time, so I hope you guys can stay healthy and take good care. And our next live stream will be start at 4 p.m. at Beijing time. Please keep following us, and we will give you more interesting and more wonderful live stream.
Yeah.
Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 烫嘴了。